In front of me is Motorola Moto G85, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on system. Then select keyboard, on-screen keyboard and Gboard. Lastly, after tapping on text correction, switch on this switcher next to show suggestion strip and go back. As you can see, after that mine was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!